going live and preparing for it. It started to drop, but let's see. I wouldn't recommend you all selling this at this point, but let's wait and see if we break below our 4.8 support or if we pick some buyers from here. Okay, let's look at German 30 again. This is how we look on German 30, guys. We're trying to go up. If we break the supply, we can push up. Also, you all need to understand that all for market open, if we try to go down with good volume, with good momentum, we could get rejected from this area. So don't look at sells, because this is heavy demand, guys. Okay, just 1 second. Good morning, guys. Good morning. I hope you all are doing well. How was your weekend, guys? Okay, look at gold, guys. Look at gold. We're trying to drop from our 4.8 support. We're breaking it, but let's wait for this candle to close. Okay, we're dropping on gold. Is anyone trading anything at this point, guys? Okay, German 30 got rejected from our supply zone. Maybe we'll go down, catch some buyers from here, and then push up. Okay, German 30 got rejected from our supply zone. Maybe we go back to our demand zone, catch buyers from here, because this is very heavy, solid demand sitting over here. Maybe catch buyers from here and push up. Okay, but look at German 30, guys. It's so dirty always. Before London market open, whenever I look at German 30, it's very dirty, guys. Missed gold, nothing right now. It's okay, guys. We can get some more. But today, the markets look really choppy to me, guys. Also, it's a Monday. We had a crazy week last week. So many things happened. So many news came out. Red folders happened. So much volatility in the market last week. So I don't know. Monday can be choppy. Today is Monday, and also London. There's not a lot of volume that's rolling in. Maybe after New York session tomorrow we'll see some good volume, but nonetheless we'll learn something from this session, guys. Okay, but it doesn't look good to me. It doesn't. Okay, where is Nasdaq?
Yeah. No, click on that. Click on that. And close. You see that blue full screen?
Okay, and this is Nasdaq, guys. We're hovering around our demand zone, but okay, I'm on mute. I'm so sorry, guys. I'm so sorry. I'm just getting used to all of this Zoom and everything. I'm really bad with all this. I'm technically ill, guys. Like all this computer and all of this, I'm not really good at it. I'm just good at trading. That's all I do. I keep forgetting that I put you on mute and I was doing something. I'm so sorry, guys. I'm so sorry. Bear with me. I'm gonna learn. I'm gonna be better at this, I promise. But look at Nasdaq, guys. We're catching some buyers from our demand zone, but if we break below that, we can look for sells, but bigger sells are going to be above our supply zone. But as based on the structure, if you're all seeing a pattern that's going to happen, if you think that might happen, you can start layering your positions from here, maybe small feelers, and then push up when they actually want to push up with good momentum. Okay, DAX is not doing anything. I hate DAX. I just hate it. Look at this, guys. Like, what is this? And there is no volume in this market today. As of now, I don't see that much volume, but let's see. Let's look at gold. Okay, gold caught support. This is the next candle. We're retesting. We can drop down to our daily support, and if we break that with momentum, we're coming down here and then probably then here. Okay, but the levels are so close, guys. The levels are so close that that's what tells me that the markets are choppy. Not a lot of movement happening, right? Everywhere you see a level, everywhere you see hustle bustle happening, push and pull.
That's great. Why did I have buys and sells?
What way?
Put the boxes on me. Or the moves are happening or not.
Okay. Sorry, guys. Drop till here. If we break this, we can drop till our daily support. Okay.
You did put boxes on 8 and
Okay guys, I'm so sorry guys, I was just
You're on mute.
Okay guys, I'm just putting the boxes so that you all have clearer idea what we're looking for. Obviously for long positions, I'm going to be looking at this area, maybe till here. Okay, nothing more than that. Nothing more than that. 12 pips, that's good. Let's see. But if you want to start getting in on buys with small feelers according to the structure, if you think you want to, you can. I'm not playing around. Okay, and for German 30, our long position will obviously be above our supply zone. Maybe we can go till here, and then if we continue, we can push up to our daily resistance. Okay, but not a lot of movement guys. Okay, like these areas also, if you see, these are very small areas with a lot of disturbance around. Okay, lots of traffic. So let's see what we have to do. Okay, and on gold the sell is currently playing out. I'm going to go to the chat. Good morning, Cram is typing. How was your weekend guys? What did you all do? Were you like, obviously you weren't trading, but were you like sitting on the markets? Were you learning something? How was your weekend? What were you doing? I stay away from markets on the weekends. I don't want to see charts. I don't want to do anything related to markets. I really don't. Just still chilled out, to be honest. Yeah. Good morning, guys. How many people we have here today? 20 people, 21 people. That's good. That's good. See how DAX is getting rejected from our supply? Again, we could go down till our demand zone, heavy demand zone, pick buyers from here, and then maybe push up. That also could happen. Also, London is known for fake outs. So yeah, maybe it could be one of them. Let's see. But we don't have any volume, guys. We have about 6 minutes to market open, and I don't see good volume, guys. I don't. Only gold is like this candle also. Okay, we're trying on this. We're trying on gold. Nasdaq and German 30 are not doing anything, guys. Was chilling with friends. Finally good weather here. Where are you from, Damien? Just chilling, spend time with family. Poland. That's great. That's great. And others didn't do anything on the weekend? Nothing, guys? Very few people interacting and talking. Okay, guys, see, Nasdaq is trying to get into our demand zone. Okay, this is just an impulse at this point, guys. We need to close below our demand zone within our box to be able to continue with the sells. Okay, look at DAX getting rejected. Look at gold, we're catching support from here. Maybe we're trying to make a pattern. Maybe we're trying to do something over here. One-on-ones, you guys know what's happening or what could happen. If we want to continue with sells, you know what kind of pattern we're trying to make. But again, if they want to go up, they can move up also and break this bigger structure over here and go for buys. Okay, but as of now, we're trying to do something. Also for gold, guys, we can look for the buys over here now. We can start layering our positions. Okay, to our supply, and once we break that, that will be a bigger break of structure and we can push up. Okay, okay guys, I just need to just like check something quickly. Give me a second. 3 minutes to market open. had my one-on-one. Cram told me how to become a millionaire. That's a good weekend spent, right? I don't get sessions from him, guys. He's so busy. I don't get sessions from him anymore. But I'm glad y'all are learning. He's really, really amazing at what he does, guys. Amazing. I think I've had like 3,000 one-on-one sessions by now with him. And he's always the best. I've tried reading books. I've tried watching videos. Nothing works for me. Cram is my teacher, and he's going to be my teacher for the rest of my life. Okay, guys, we have about 2 minutes to market open. Okay, let me look at indices. Okay, Nasdaq is trying. Again, guys, be very, very careful on DAX. Don't be putting in Lambos even if you see a candle with good volume. Don't do that. Heavy, heavy demand here, guys. Okay, we're trying to move up. We're at 40. Maybe we'll go to 50 and get rejected from there. Look at Nasdaq, guys. We're trying on Nasdaq. Okay, it could be a good sell. Maybe we could break our daily supply as well. Okay, look at the RSI. We're trying to go oversold. We're far away from that. Maybe we could push up to 50. Let's see what they're going to do for market open. But this is how they fake us out, guys. The retail, they fake us out like this. The big money makers are actually sitting there to take money from us, especially on a session like London. That's what they want to do. So guys, I think let's move it up just to be safe, because I'm seeing how they are very choppy on DAX. Okay, let's see. So guys, these money makers, they okay guys, can you all hear me now? I'm so sorry guys, I'm really sorry. I'll just get used to this. But I was, yes.
Open US 30 on another chart. No, go to gold.
Just 1 second, please. Guys, we have about okay, this is market open, guys. 12:30, not a lot of movement. And for this, guys, if anyone wants to trade US 30, the people who like good volume, y'all can trade this. Okay, but wait for the confirmation and retest. Okay, if we are moving up, okay, DAX is trying, guys. DAX is trying. Is anyone trading anything? Is anyone in on any sort of feelers or anything at this point? Okay. Let's see. Okay. DAX is trying, guys. At this point, only DAX is showing me a little bit of volume. Okay, DAX is just an impulse, guys. Be very, very careful. It's just an impulse at this point, and maybe we go and hit our TP. Okay, if you all are trading this, you should be in on a feeler, nothing more than that. Okay, Nasdaq is also trying, but we need to break this wick. Okay, we need to break this wick down with big momentum. Okay. I'm looking at DAX. Just 1 second. Baby, want something?
Yeah, just 1 second.
You want to see something?
Yeah, sorry, I have some money invested.
Okay, guys.
Sorry, you guys.
He has some money invested somewhere, so he's tracking. I don't know about this. Okay, guys, I'm running about. Okay, let's see. I'm trading DAX, guys. Can you move, babe?
Yeah.
Thank you. Okay. We need to close above our supply zone, guys. Let's wait for this candle to close, okay? Let's wait for this candle. Look at Nasdaq not doing anything. I want to look at gold. Gold is also not doing anything for market open. US 30 is not doing anything either. Maybe we could make a double top and go down, or we could push up because this is just sideways. It's trading, okay? That's why, guys, Mondays are always choppy, okay? And especially for London, because there is not much volume that's rolling in the market, right? So that's why, guys.
Sorry, guys. My bad.
I'm sorry, guys. And also there's nothing much that's happening, so it's fine. Okay, guys, let me get to the chat.
Oh.
Sorry, guys, I'm sorry. Was I muted?
Are you serious, babe?
Oh, I'm so sorry, guys. I'm so sorry. Cram had to check something. He had invested something, some money somewhere. So he was checking that. And I was actually updating you guys about this. I am actually on a very small buy on DAX, guys. Markets are not doing anything. Everything is choppy at this point, guys. Very, very choppy. Look at Nasdaq. We're not doing anything on Nasdaq. We got support. However, we got support from our demand zone. Even if we push up, we have to break this and push up. I don't think there's.
Or can they hear you?
They can hear me. They can hear me.
Can you check the chat?
I think, is there some issue? Guys, can you all hear me now? Yes, 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 yes. Perfect. I'm so sorry, guys. I'm just, again, new to all of this. I don't use Zoom and all of this, so I really have no idea. And then we have all the layouts and everything that's working on the top. It's really hard for me to handle. I'm not really good with all of this, but I'm sure I'll be fine in another 2-3 days as I practice more with you guys. Okay, guys, not a lot of volume. These areas are going to hit for sure because these are strong areas, psychological areas. They're going to hit, but we need volume for that, guys. Today is a Monday. On top of that, London market. Look at that, guys. This is nothing. This is just 13 pips. But we did hit TP on this. Maybe we can go and fill this wick to the upside, or we just get rejected because look at the traffic over here. Okay, let's see. Is anyone in on anything at this point?
US 30.
Okay. US 30 is trying to go into our buy box. Let's see. Guys, again, the gold updated buys are above our demand zone. We can ride it till our supply zone. Okay? Okay. German 30 is trying. Maybe we could go up and fill this wick. Okay, but we're catching sellers. Look at that. We need to catch support from our supply zone to push up further, guys. We can test that. These candles are just dirty, you know. These are just very, very dirty candles. I don't like this. For New York, when we have these kind of dirty candles, we know that something good is going to happen. But with London, we just have these dirty candles, push and pull movement, and nothing is happening. I don't like this momentum. Let's see. A lot of traffic over here. We need to beat this. Okay, babe, you're so excited. Anyone who's Indian here, he's looking at some Indian stocks derivatives. You can see the top down. Look at that. We're catching sellers from here. Also, we're trying to go oversold on this, but we need to break all of this chop as well, guys. Okay. Gold, the pattern that we were thinking, maybe gold is trying to make that, but for that we need to go down, break this daily supply with momentum and push down. Okay, US 30 is going down. German 30 is trying to get support from supply zone. This is not the market to trade, guys. I really don't like this market. I don't like. This is chop. Okay, look at Nasdaq, guys. This is just an impulse at this point. Okay, just an impulse. But again, no movement, guys, so don't be entering in with Lambos. Not for London, unless we have news or good volume rolling in the market. But today, no, guys. Look at that, guys. We need to catch support from here to push up further to our daily resistance. Okay, if we don't, we're falling down from here. If we don't catch support from here, we're going down and then catching some buyers and then maybe get some more volume. We need to hit all these pending orders over here. We don't have, the buyers don't have that much volume, that much power. Okay, they need to go down to this demand zone, which has a lot of buyers and pending orders sitting over here. They'll go catch that, they'll get the volume, and then they'll push up. That's how they move in these markets. Okay, but at this point, since there's no volume, nothing is happening, guys. God, if it was just New York, we would push down and the candle will just go up. Oh, guys, I hate this. But look at gold, guys. Be very, very careful. Okay, either we make a head and shoulders and push down, or we could just push up. But if you're entering in at this point, if we break our demand, just enter in with a feeler and nothing more than that. Okay, you know how these markets are. These patterns, these chart patterns, they're always changing. Okay, so be very, very careful. I'm sure one-on-ones you all know about it, right? And whoever is new here, guys, if you want to join our one-on-one sessions, these are golden sessions. I have been taking these sessions in 7 years, guys. They are amazing. Kram is really, I think, the best out there at what he does. You can ask so many people. I think there are some 100 and 120, 130 people under his mentorship program. Trust me, guys, if you want to just try it out, if you want to try his one-on-one mentorship program and take your trading to the next level and become a member of a millionaire army, then absolutely go for it. You can either message me, DM me, or you can DM Kram, guys. They're golden sessions. Don't miss out on those. I am not getting my sessions, guys. You all can take yours. You all can message me for the same. It'd be better if you all message me, DM me, because Kram is usually like busy and he has so many DMs, he hardly opens his DMs. But if it's me, I will reply to your messages and we can get that sorted, guys. Yep, totally agree, Cash, that Kram is very knowledgeable and patient during the one-on-one. I'm thankful that you guys are doing the one. Oh, that's great. That's so sweet, Shay. One-on-ones are so good. Absolutely, they're golden. I haven't received one-on-one in a really long time, but I'm mostly around when Kram is taking. So nonetheless, even though I know all of this, but just seeing the markets as much as we do, as much as he does, it just makes us better traders. You know, there is no shortcut in these markets, guys. No matter how many books you try, it doesn't matter how many videos you watch, you read all the books that are out there, you watch all the videos that are out there, but it's not going to happen unless you see these markets breathe every day and you practice with them. These markets are always changing, so the information that is available is limited to what has happened before. Okay, but to be able to think what is going to happen next in the market, you need to watch these markets every day, because guess what, everything is repeating. Okay, you can vouch for the one-on-ones. They are great. Yes, Camper, thank you so much. They're amazing. I know. Okay, guys, look at that, what I told you. If we break this demand zone, we're going down. We have daily support sitting here, but maybe we catch some buyers from here and push up. If we break this, guys, this will be a good sell. Okay, if we break this demand zone, this is just an impulse at this point, guys. Okay, okay. Nasdaq is trying again, guys. Again, see how many candles tried over here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the 6th candle that's trying now. This is bad volume, guys. Again, we need to break this wick. We need to break this wick to go and fall down till our daily support. I don't like this kind of volume. I don't like to trade this chop. I really don't. Okay, we're approaching our demand zone, guys. Okay, look at that. Nasdaq is trying to. Is anyone trading Nasdaq? Okay, look at that, guys. Okay, I really need to look at US. US 30 is also going in for sells, guys. We're breaking this area, but at this point, this is just an impulse, guys. Just be okay. This is a good area. If we're falling, we're falling, guys. Okay, I don't see anything on the 5-minute. Maybe on the bigger time frame there are areas, but now at this point I don't see anything. If you're trading, just feelers at this point. Okay. Feeler, got a feeler in, yes. I am looking at my second batch of one-on-ones. Knowledge and risk management is key in this game. Experience is second hand to it. Exactly. If you have your money management, and not even money management, guys, for money management, Cram is there and you're taking sessions from him, but more than anything, you need to figure out risk management. Now, if you have covered your losses, if you know how many losses you can take, if you minimize your losses, that's it, you're done, you've cracked it. In these markets, the only thing that we're trying to do is to not let our capital go away from us. We're trying to protect our capital. That's what we're doing in these markets. How do we do that? By reducing our losses. That's what we do. And for that, your R&R ratio, your risk management has to be in place. And if that's in place, there is no way that you're not going to make money in these markets, because that is the game, guys. All of this, everything you can learn. This, you'll spend 4 years seeing these charts. You will start to see what we see every day, you know. But if your R&R is on point and your money management is on point, you got this game. That's what you all need to focus on. Right risk management, right money management. It all boils down to that. And obviously, trading is a game of psychology, I feel. It plays with your emotions a lot. But once you try to control that, once you understand how you can control that, that's it, done. And if your losses are in control, there is no way that you're going to haywire when the markets are going up and down. You're not going to go crazy or lose your mind or revenge trade or anything of that sort at that point. So again, it's everything boils down to reducing your losses, minimizing your losses, and that's only going to happen with good risk management, guys. We keep focusing on that. We keep repeating this. Cram keeps repeating on New York. I keep repeating this on. Look at Nasdaq, guys. Okay. If we break this, guys, but look at that. If we break this, we can go down for ourselves as well. Okay. We go to the left and see any area. Okay, we could, okay, like I told you all, we're catching buyers from our demand zone. Maybe this is what we needed to go push up and hit our daily resistance. But again, these markets, they're choppy. Unless we break our demand zone, we're not looking for sells, guys. Okay, we're trying to go and test our 50. Maybe we get rejected from our supply zone over here and then go down. Just 1 second. Yeah, babe.
The big candles on DAX, babe. तो बात करिए DAX देख क्या कर रहा है?
DAX is trying to go up, guys. If you want to get into buys, you need to break the supply zone and push up. Is anyone trading anything? Okay, DAX is again approaching our supply zone, guys. Nothing right now watching DAX, so am I. Market is choppy, guys. Look at this. It's already 12:45. This is the next 15-minute momentum after market open that we got. Okay, we're getting rejected from our supply zone. Look at gold, guys. Whoever is selling gold, if we break this, we're pushing down. Okay, we need to break this. This head and shoulders will only be complete after we break our daily support. Okay, all of this, but this is heavy demand sitting over here. Look at that dirty rejection, guys. Like I told you, maybe
don't trade it.
So Cram is saying don't trade this. He just saw the bigger time frame, higher time frame, guys. He's seen the higher time frame. Choppy markets, guys. You want to trade, you can do that. Go ahead. You have my levels. I have not traded, guys. I was looking at DAX. I entered in on a small feeler, and then I made what I had to make. It was nothing substantial, so I didn't even tell you guys. But I did what I had to do for this. Nasdaq didn't give anything. If you think this is a good move, I don't think this is. Maybe we make a double bottom and push up and break our supply zone and go in for buys. But for that, we need to wait. There's no volume in the market, guys. I don't like this. I really don't like this long candles, and after that this wick. I don't know. If you want to get into sales, you can, but then again, this is daily support we're talking about, guys. We're talking about daily support. You guys have any questions, guys? Nothing much is happening in these markets, guys. There is not a lot of volume. You want to trade this, go ahead, do it, but be very careful. Trade these markets with only feelers or your Corollas or something that is even smaller than Corollas for you. Don't use Lambos in these markets. Wait for maybe New York market open or an early open candle. Wait for that candle to open up and then maybe start to get into maybe bigger positions, but before that, don't. Let's not lose money that we made last week. Let's protect it, and let's try to trade New York. And in the meantime, you guys have my levels. If anything plays out, these small areas for up and down, they might play out. They're going to play around in this range before New York, so you can take these trades. That's it, guys. Dirty wick on DAX. Yeah, probably just gonna stay away unless something clear presents itself. Choppy Mondays, guys. Expected this volume. Yep. You're absolutely right. Okay, guys. I don't think anything is gonna happen. I don't want to trade this, and I don't want you all to be trading this, guys. I really don't. For gold, if you want to get into buys, wait that we close above our demand zone and then move to supply zone. Okay, just wait for that. These markets don't have volume. Don't trade this. If you want, trade with smaller positions, guys. Maybe nothing more than feeder. Start compounding, maybe a little over here, and then more you can get for New York. Also, guys, anyone who's here, who's new over here, I know there's so many people who are joining London sessions because just the timings. If you guys want to join the one-on-one sessions, I talked about it. Please DM me for that, not Cram, because he might not be able to reply, guys. He has so many messages, so many DMs. But I, on the other hand, I will reply. I'm the one who's taking care of the bookings. So just make sure that you message me. These sessions are golden. Absolutely go for it, guys. That's why, I can trade this chop, guys, but I don't want to, because why should I? I learned to trade this chop also from Cram. So if you want to learn this also, how to trade this chop, please go ahead and sign up for our one-on-one session mentorship program. You can message me, and thank you so much, guys. It was a very slow London session. We didn't have a lot of movement. Just 1 second, guys. Okay, guys, so that's it, guys. Thank you so much for this session. It was a very slow session, but nonetheless we learned a lot. It's teaching definitely us a lot of patience. London market is teaching us a lot of patience. That's it, guys. I will see you all for New York. Thank you so much for being here with me and helping me so much. Thank you so much, guys. I really appreciate all of you. Take care, you guys. I'll see you all for New York. Let's prepare for New York. Good volume, guys, for New York. Bye, guys. Take care.
Sure.